What's going on, guys? In this video I will give you some free BuildBox projects. These are some of my projects and I will give them to you for free. These projects are complete and contains add mob ads and in-app purchases. You can modify these projects or upload them directly to the Apple AppStore or Google Play Store. Okay, how do you download these projects? Well, it's simple. Alright, first open Google Chrome or any other browser. Now go to this link. You will find this link below this video. Now scroll down and click I'm a human. Now here choose the correct photos and click check. Now click check the link. Okay, scroll down and wait for 7 seconds. Now click get link. Okay, now click continue. As you can see, guys, this is the download page. Now click download. Okay, this is just an ad page. Close it. Scroll down and click I'm not a robot. Okay, now click continue. Okay, another ad page, just close it. Now click continue. Okay, scroll down and wait for 3 seconds. Now click download. Okay, another stupid ad page, just close it. Alright guys, now click download. As you see, the file is downloading. I already have the file, so I will not download it again. Alright, I will open the file. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is the file. Now I will open it. As you can see, these are the BuildBox projects. You can open these projects using BuildBox version 2.3.3 or higher. These projects I created using BuildBox 2.3.3, so you will need version 2.3.3 of BuildBox or higher to open the projects. Some of these projects contains add mob ads and in-app purchases. These projects are ready for sale and you can upload them to the Apple AppStore or Google Play Store. Alright guys, it's free to use. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.